Welcome to Tumamoto. BMW Motorrad officially introduced this special edition model, the BMW M1000RR 50 years M 2022. Based on the BMW M1000RR model, it comes with a Sao Paulo yellow color scheme and the historic 50 years BMW M emblem finish. So keep watching. The introduction of the model marks the 50th anniversary celebration for the BMW M motoring division since 1972. This BMW M1000RR 50 years M comes standard with the M competition package. In addition, it is also equipped with the M mill parts package and M carbon package and includes lightweight aluminum swing arms. Other standard equipment is the unlock code for M GPS lap trigger, M endurance chain, pillion package, and also pillion seat cover. Thick with the DNA of the historic BMW M race, the BMW M1000RR 50 years M 2022 in this limited edition can be ordered from 21st May to 30th November 2022. And the price is over at $36,995. For loyal fans of BMW Motorrad and the BMW M Racing division, this M1000RR 50 years M is definitely not to be missed.